Hello everyone, and welcome to my video on how I am making extra money every day from binary option trading. My name is Jared Arlen and I'm a financial accountant major from Kent State University. The website I use here is TradeRush.com, and at first I was a little skeptical, but after a few hours I found out that it works great and is a legitimate website. Okay, so what is binary option trading? In finance, a binary option is a type of option where the payoff is either a fixed amount of some asset or nothing at all. We will be using a cash or nothing binary option, which pays some fixed amount of cash if the option expires in the money. You do not own stock that is being traded, but you bet whether or not that stock or exchange is going to be higher or lower than it is at the time you bid. So you have a 50% chance, and if you're right, then you get paid. Alright, so let's get to the actual website. This is TradeRush.com for binary options trading, and right now it is 4:35:36. And down here we have some currency exchange rates. Right here we have the US dollar to the Japanese yen, and what this is saying is that for every US dollar it equals 81.3686 Japanese yen. And what you're bidding on is by 5 o'clock today whether or not it's going to be higher or lower, the exchange rate. And it pays out 70%. So if you bid $10 on it, you'll get a $7 profit. You'll receive $17 back into your account. So there are multiple different assets that you can bid on. There's currencies, commodities, indices, and stocks, but we don't feel like waiting all this time to get paid out. So what we're gonna go to is the 60 seconds button right here. And what this is every minute you're allowed to bid on these currency rates, whether it's gonna be higher or lower in the next minute from when you bid. So I'm going to show you some demonstrations next and explain a little bit more as to how I go about doing this. Alright, so here I picked a bet on the exchange rate of the euro to the Australian dollar because of all the movement. You see a lot of up and down, and that's good. As you can see, we're coming to the support level where the rate is likely to bounce and start to rise. So I picked a call or bet that the exchange rate will be higher 1 minute later than it currently is. I bet $5 twice since I was confident with my choice, and you can see the payout is 75% return, so for $10 I receive a $7.50 profit in just 1 minute. I also like that you can cancel a bid if within 2 seconds of clicking start. Since the rate drops so fast, I'm sure there will be a squeeze back up, and likewise if it's to raise fast, it's probable there will be a fast pullback at the resistance as well. I personally start every day at $5 and work my way up until I feel confident to bet more. It ranges from $5 to $250, so it's possible to make thousands of dollars in just an hour. As long as you know what you're doing, you know, that's money in the bank. So you just gotta pay attention to what you're doing because it's just as easy to lose that money as well. Below I have a link to my website, so you should go check that out. And if you send me an email, I can refer you and you'll receive an extra $50 when you sign up, as long as you sign up for $200 or more. I appreciate your guys' time. Good luck out there.